German bloke for the massive game called? Dave. You just get him sat in a corner just spraying the field.
Just shooting past my shoulder.
We have wells to blow up. Oh no!
I'm not down for this running shit. We can get there in our own time. Guys, there's a gap in the netting here, you can get through. Sorry. Hurts! Wonder if I chuck a grenade over it, it'll scatter them out.
If you can get it the other side of the truck.
Yeah. Almost. Yes! Yes! Leroy! I think he's within grenade range, don't you? Yeah, see what they think of this.
Jamie, you can see him from here. You can't shoot over it, can you? Can they?
I want to get as close as possible with this. That was shit. Did I get him? Oh yes. That's 2 grenade kills this game.
Can't shoot through, don't worry.
You can fit, if you can fit your barrel through the hole, you can shoot through. Whoa. Straight on. Yeah.
And you got him on your side?
Yeah. How did none of that hit him?
I don't know.
We were fucking right in there.
Yeah.
Mag out!
One elephant, 2 elephant, 3 elephant, 4 elephant, 5 elephants. Go.
Back in, Sam. Ready to cover me up?
Done. 1 elephant, 2 elephant, 3 heads.
Watch him, Dukes, he's a good shot.
Yeah. Hurts.
Drag him out.
I think I got hit in the GoPro.
Dixon.
I think that was it. Oh, you want to play that game, do you?
Helps if you take the safety off, Johnny. Or not.
Go, let's just kill everybody on the other team.
That sounds like a good plan.
Sounds like a bit of vengeance to me.
Let's do this. Walking down Canal Street.
Walking down Park Street. Here stars apart. Can't remember my name. Can't think of words rhyme with park, but this is art.
Yeah, I don't think we should go down that middle bit.
That's where you get
I think I just hit someone. I was just firing through the trees.
Spray and pray, boys. Spray and pray.
Incoming. Yeah, Johnny's got a lot. I don't know if I can get this through the trees. That way. If I throw it through there, do you reckon I'll get anyone? Well, we may as well. We're never going to find out if we don't try. Fuck. Yeah. Unfortunately, it didn't go far enough.
Wow, that was close. I'm not joking. Okay, we got one hostile down. One hostile, 3 houses down.
Hey, my blowback's working. Chuck us a smoke. Chuck us a smoke. Cheers. Johnny, where do you want the smoke? Alright. More smoke for you. Well, the wind's going that way, so you need to. We got some guys in there now. You have too much ammo. I shot the camera guy, I think, by accident. But there was a guy. There's a guy next to a building. You can see his gun just poking out, can't you?
Yeah, I see him. We've got one hostile, 2 houses back on the left, 1, 3 houses back on the right. Try and go down on the left.
Hey, no Beirut offloads.
What?
He's Beirut offloading.
What do you mean?
Where you put your rifle either around the corner or over the top and fire, blind fire.
Blind fire.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's blind fire.
He's got a shotgun, he can't reach us. He can't reach us. Well, actually, a couple of ours.
What's the sitch?
Hmm?
What's the situation?
Oh, 2 blokes and a fuckload of cutlery.
Alright.
That's my take on it
Are
anyway.
we down to medics or is this over yet?
I don't know. Yeah, medics is over. Alright. Excuse me, please. I'm gonna run through. Yep, I noticed. I thought my belt felt lighter after that. I'm just trying to fix the pistol. Interesting.
So, what were you saying on about 2 guys and a shitload of cutlery?
Well, there's more than 2 guys and they've got more than cutlery. I'm taking fire this side.
Yeah, nothing on this side. Dude, there's 8.
Where the hell is he? I don't think he's up there.
So funny, Dave. I've never heard that joke before.
60, 50, something like that.
Not my kill. Come back here.
Is there another game after this one?
Nah, not normally. I think we've got ourselves a Mexican standoff.
Yes! Hire a Springer.
No, they're all dead up that way. Andy was the only one left. Not very accurately. Yeah, you've got a Springer. Gravity is definitely not on your side. footage up there. Last one, Andy, he's got a Springer. I think he's in on left.
Ceasefire! Ceasefire!
That is going in the video.